Welcome to Perry Wellington Real Estate 4.5 from Perry Wellington Realty. Buy or sell with us and use our moving trucks for free. Only from Perry Wellington Realty.
Good afternoon and welcome to Perry Wellington Real Estate 4.5's Halloween special. I'm Dawn Pellis, your host. I'm also a licensed realtor, and this is a program about real estate. We are here to give you tips and tools that we hope will help you be successful when you are buying or selling. You might not be doing that now, but you or someone you know just might be in the future, so we are here to help. And this week, of course, I have broker Adam Conrad back once again and agent Jordan Conrad. Hi, guys.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, we are not dressed up.
No.
I have
Halloween
earrings
doesn't
on, though.
feel like Halloween just yet.
It doesn't. Well, we are a little early. It's coming next Thursday, so this is our only show before then. But I gave you guys a break this time. No costumes.
No?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I mean, in previous years, I've seen some pretty crazy things going on.
Yeah, we did have a lot of crazy things. But I thought, you know, we could not beat Jordan's costume from last year. I don't know if anybody remembers what he went
I don't
as.
think I remember it.
Do you remember that?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, he was
Nice.
The Rock.
Yeah.
And he even made the cover of the wrestling magazine.
Look at that.
So I thought that was pretty cool.
How about that?
Now, Adam, no one knows this, but he always talks about being a famous character. He always, you know, is a famous character on the Johnny Carson show.
Oh,
and
right,
he
yeah.
actually went as
Karnak.
Karnak.
That's it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I like that costume.
Yeah, that's good.
It was really nice. Sorry I revealed before Halloween, but
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm always prognosticating like what's
yes,
going on
you
there.
are. That's what you have to when you're in real estate, right?
Right?
Yeah.
Well, guys, I will tell you, I beat you all
Oh,
because
boy.
you know I love Duran Duran.
I've heard that.
And I auditioned to be in the video Rio years ago.
Oh yeah?
And I have a snapshot of that.
Yeah.
I don't know why I didn't make it.
No?
Why do you think they didn't
No
pick
idea.
me? There's Simon LeBon in the back there. But.
Yeah, there you go.
What do you think?
I don't know. I should have picked you.
Is it good?
Yeah.
They should have. I know. So there are our costumes for this year. I thought it was pretty fun. So anyway, we are moving on today talking about some Halloween open house ideas. I saw an article about this, and you know, a lot of people do open houses for Halloween. And last year I actually did it, and I got a house under contract. I gave out candy and all
Really?
of that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it was Brazil Lane in Johnstown.
Oh, nice.
So what do you think, guys? I mean, have you ever had a themed open house before?
Mimosas? Is that a thing?
Yeah.
You did. Was it last week you did that, or the week
it was
before?
either last week or the week before.
And how was it? Did it
It was
work out?
good, yeah.
I
People
like
liked it.
mimosas. Yeah.
Years ago, I used to take chocolate chip cookies, like the ones you get, like the Toll House ones in the tube, and I would cut them up and bake them in the house.
Yeah, and that's good.
That's good. I mean, it's like my
Smells.
chocolate chip cookie themed.
Open house.
There's nothing better than freshly baked chocolate chip cookies. Everyone,
That is so
the
true.
seller should always have those ready for the agent
I think so.
whenever they come in.
I completely agree with that. Well, this article that I found, it had some ideas, and it says if you're going to do a Halloween open house, don't actually scare the buyers.
Yeah,
that's
we've
Would
seen a
somebody
lot of
actually
houses
do
that scare buyers.
That's true. That's true. That was that. The next one was keep it tasteful and light. So here are the little fun things. You can have little games for kids. You can carve up pumpkins, have little treats. What do you think about that? I don't know.
Make
You know,
it family friendly.
yeah, a lot of people don't really eat the treats when I bring treats to open houses.
You know, there's a family over in Penn Farms on Trick or Treat night that gave candy to the kids and beer to the parents.
They did?
That's a great way to trick or treat. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have not heard.
You haven't had that one, huh?
No.
So what's the address?
Everybody wants that address. We're taking our kids over and trick or treating there.
That's right. Well, I think these are cute ideas, and we're just getting started here today. We're out of time on this segment, though. But up next, no tricks, just treats. We've got houses on the market right now for less than $125,000, and we are going to check those out. But first, Jordan, I want you to tell me about this one. There's a big open house coming up for agent Matt DePaulis.
Yeah, so this is 7254 Davis Road in Alexandria, listed by Matt DePaulis for $234,900. Open house October 27th, 2 to 4 p.m. Beautiful home, open concept, single living. It's situated on an acre and a half, so lots of room there, 3 bedrooms, has many upgrades, poured concrete foundation, walk-in pantry, master suite with a 4-piece bath, 2 heating sources, central air. The list goes on.
Oh,
Oh
nice.
boy, look at that
Yeah.
basement.
Check
Wow.
it out.
Yeah, okay. And we'll be right back.
Perry Wellington Realty is a proud sponsor of WTAJ News.
Welcome back to Perry Wellington Real Estate 4.5's Halloween special. This next segment, no tricks, just treats for you. We have got some properties that are currently on the market for $125,000 or less. So we're going to get it kicked off in CARROLLTOWN. Anybody want to tell me about this one?
Oh, well, it probably should. This is a one of my team's listings.
Yeah,
How about
cute
that?
little house. I like it.
Yes, so we have 140 Post Office Road in CARROLLTOWN. So this property, listed by the Adam Conrad team, is a great buy. It's going to have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with an attached garage in a Cambria Heights school district. Possible 4th bedroom in the finished basement. It's got multiple heat sources, including electric, wood, and a pellet stove. You don't want to miss this one.
Yeah, and
Great
it's only
price.
$115,000. That's a good deal.
Yeah, that's great.
Very nice. Okay, next up.
All right, we're going to go to 2812 Oak Avenue. This is a solid 3-bedroom home in Altoona, fenced-in yard, off-street parking, possible 4th bedroom in the attic, has a newer furnace, perfect for first-time home buyers or investors. The listing price on this one's $85,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, all
is
right,
it?
very nice.
Huh. I'm going to have to double check that one because I'm looking at my notes and I thought maybe it might be a little bit cheaper. So we'll
Okay,
double check
folks,
that.
this is a rehab. This property's been rehabilitated. It looks great. The seller has an eye for rehabilitation. So check out this property at $85,000, 113 West 10th Avenue in Altoona. It's got a fresh kitchen. Look there. Just bring in your all you gotta do is bring in your stove and refrigerator. And the guy who does this, he does a great job. I think he has a real eye for this like industrial look. So refinished bathroom. You see the new vanity. 3-bedroom. It's got 2 bedrooms on the top floor, 1 bedroom on the bottom floor, and it's got a detached garage, all for $85,000. It's in between Park Avenue and Broadway in Juniata. It's a great place to be. You don't want to miss that.
Yeah, and we did have a correction. I did see that right, and you caught it.
2812 Oak Avenue is $50,000.
So $50,000.
Wow, you heard it
Wow.
here, folks. Yeah, big price drop.
Quick reduction.
Right.
Yes.
That's right, right now. So we've got some great deals, of course. And don't forget to listen to our Real Estate Thursdays podcast. You can log in on our website, right, Adam?
That's right, and you can download it using your favorite podcast app or iTunes. We're on iTunes.
Yeah.
And listen to our radio show, and don't forget, you can also call us.
Yes.
Dawn, Jordan, I will actually come to your home and list your home if you'd like.
We will. Jordan's going to do that.
Yeah, right after the show.
Right after the show. Don't miss it.
Yes, so please do call in and check out our podcast and everything. And as we go to break, I have got some haunted houses.
Ooh.
These are not for sale. You can just go and have fun and enjoy them for Halloween. You might want to check them out this weekend. Take a look. Welcome back. It is time to talk haunted houses again. But this time the question is, if you happen to list one, how do you sell it? How do you know what if it's really haunted? I don't know. Maybe got to get some inspectors in there to find out. And if there are spirits that reside inside, can you get rid of them? I don't know, guys. I saw an article online. It was Realtor.com, and it said that 28% of agents who responded to a recent survey that they had a house to sell or helped a buyer find a new one because the seller was convinced that their house was haunted. They thought, yep, this is haunted, I'm out of here.
You might want to charge the ghosts rent.
You might want
Maybe post-settlement possession. We were just talking about that on the break, right?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Well, Curbed.com had an article. I don't know if we've got a shot of that. But this one is saying buying a nightmare on Elm Street. And it's interesting. We talk about this every year, but it's worth repeating. If there is a house that's haunted or there was a murder that happened in a house or something like that, do you have to tell the buyers?
You don't have to.
You don't.
But we recommend that you do. But by law, courts have ruled that you only have to describe property, not people, and so things that happen in the house don't have to be disclosed.
Interesting. But in other places they do, other places in the country.
Yeah, certain states have some kind of loose rules that change with it, like, you know, ethically you're supposed to, and but not in Pennsylvania. But yeah, some of those articles, some of the stories in the articles, pretty creepy.
I know.
Give you some goosebumps.
I sent you to the articles. What stood out to you of any of the stories? And have you ever had any haunted stories of, you know, showing
Luckily
them?
not. The one that stood out for me was it was an agent that went into a house, and he was in this room that was painted all navy blue, and he started getting really weird feelings, and his heart started racing. He ran out of the house. Finds out later somebody had committed suicide in that room.
Wow. That's not good.
Yeah.
No. Well, you know what? Those are real things that people get freaked out about. They, you know, you get a feeling in the house, and you're like, I'm out of here. I'm not buying it. So this is kind of interesting. There is a company that has hired. I think it was a real estate company actually. They hired professional investigators, paranormal investigators, to go in and check out houses for ghosts.
I want to see you write that one up on a home inspection report. Yeah, we're going to do home inspections. We're going for radon, pest inspection, and paranormal.
Yeah, that's not even on there now,
doing.
but this is the thing. So he says, if an inspector does encounter any unwanted paranormal activity in a home, the space in question will be properly cleansed for the buyer's peace of mind.
Wait, I see Dan Aykroyd coming in with the Ghostbusters on this one. Yeah, that's what's happening.
It's funny though, but you know, I don't know how they would do that. How could you prove that?
I have no idea.
I guess it's a gimmick for Halloween, right?
It sounds fun.
It must be. What about you? Have you ever
I'm going to put
seen
that on
any
my
weird-
next inspection report. Paranormal. See what the seller does. They would not know what to do.
I'd be curious about that. Have you ever had any weird things happen?
Just creepy people.
You creepy people?
Yeah, and then no creepy ghosts, but you know, people that make you feel a little uneasy.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, sometimes you do feel kind of weird because people like line up things, like, you know, in rows, and you think there might be a weird like shrine or something in the closet or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. It does creep you out sometimes, but yeah, fortunately, no major issues. All right. Well, lots of fun on today's show, of course. But if you would like to have Perry Wellington Realty help sell your home, you can give us a call. What number should they call? Adam?
695-5323 is our main number at Perry Wellington.
Yep, or you can check us out online, perrywellingtonrealty.com. We're going to be back with some more homes that are up for sale in another edition of Perry's Properties. That is next. But first, looking for a fright this Friday night or over the weekend, more haunted houses to check out right here. Welcome back to Perry Wellington Real Estate 4.5, home of the 4.5% commission rate. It is that time of the week again, guys. Time to take a look at some of Perry's properties. Okay, where are we going first?
All right, we're going to go to 1719 Rice Road in Altoona. This is a listing by Chelsea Frederick, who's my teammate, with a new price of $220,000, so $5,000 price drop. So if you're looking for a beautiful, quiet, scenic home, this home has all that and more. It's a bi-level, sits perfectly on approximately half acres, tall trees around it. The main level has an open concept floor plan. There's an eat-in kitchen with granite countertops in the kitchen, recessed lighting, and newer cabinets. There's a sliding glass door in the dining room that takes you to the lovely deck that wraps around the house. Master bedroom also takes you out to the deck. Finished basement can be turned into a fourth bedroom. Also has a half bath, and we're including a home warranty on this one.
Oh,
That's
wow.
nice. I love that fireplace. That looks real nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, very inviting home, perfect for this time of the year. Has a warm, cozy feel.
Yeah, great stuff. All right, next.
All right, next we're going to go to 824 Skunk Hollow Road in Hooversville. This is a listing by Adam Conrad for $200,000. This one has an open house Saturday from 1 to 2:30. So be sure to check that out. It's a beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch-style home with a full finished basement, attached garage, and a detached garage. Detached garage is very large. You could see from the one picture. The home sits on almost 4 acres. Kitchen and bathrooms are updated. There's a bar in the finished basement. Lots of land and gorgeous views. There's also a wood-burning fireplace.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Very
that just
nice.
got a price drop too from 210. So I think that's about ready to roll off the market.
Yeah, it seems like a good price.
Yeah, it's real good. All right, so next we're going to 1010 26th Avenue. So this is a great house. Some folks did a beautiful rehab on this property. It's newly renovated 3-bedroom brick home in Fairview, section of Altoona. Everything's completely done. Harold that worked on this property, I'm telling you, is meticulous. So
It's beautiful.
He did a fantastic job.
I was blown away by these pictures.
Seriously, you look at this, it's like, holy heck, and it's $117,000, so it's priced right. We actually have 3 offers in on it right now.
Oh my gosh,
actually.
you better get moving.
So unless you better step up quick if you want to take advantage of this. We just got a bunch of offers in today. So, updated mechanical, soffit and fascia. I mean, just everything's new appliances, recessed lighting. I mean, look at this place. It's gorgeous, folks.
It really is. Yeah, I saw the still pictures, and then I saw that we had the 3D tour, and I thought, wow, the still pictures were phenomenal from the 3D camera. But this is just...
This is a great example why you need to have a good agent you're working with as your buyer's agent, because you're going to miss stuff like this. We can't get them to the TV show fast enough sometimes.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, if you got to have a good agent that's on the ball, watching these things for you, because these things don't, they're kind of little gems there.
Yeah, absolutely. This one is 396 Havershire Boulevard in State College. It's listed by Paula DeBolt. The listing price is $384,900. So this is a beautiful home, quiet neighborhood, private corner lot with a wooded area on the back. There's a walk-in basement, built-in plumbing for additional bathroom there if you'd like to add that. 8-camera security, DVR system included as well. Lawn care and snow removal included as part of the Homeowners Association fees. And they've got beautiful bike trails and everything too. So close to shops, restaurants, you name it. They've got it 3-bedroom and 3-bath. So beautifully updated. We've got some gorgeous properties today, don't we, guys?
You do. I mean, there's just all kinds of, and you got to check with us because there's so many more that we have. We just have so many listings and lots of great opportunities.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you back here next week at 4 on Friday for another edition of Perry Wellington Real Estate 4.5. Happy Halloween!
Perry Wellington Real Estate 4.5 has been brought to you by Perry Wellington Realty. Buy or sell with us and use our moving trucks for free. If you'd like more information about anything you've seen on today's show, visit perrywellingtonrealty.com.
Perry Wellington Realty is a proud sponsor of WTAJ News.